Sunday, June 29, 2025. St. Peter and Paul. Focus. The Lord stood by me so that through me the message might be fully proclaimed and all the Gentiles might hear it. We all experience moments of self-doubt when we serve the Lord. Negative thoughts and whispers of past failures creep in. The Lord, however, reassures us. I can vividly recall the anxiety that gripped me when I was called to share God's word at a prayer service. Doubts plagued me about my ability to effectively convey His message and inspire others. Yet, after praying for guidance, I was astonished by the words that came from my lips. A clear testament to the Lord's presence and support. This experience humbled me. I sought the Lord and He answered me and delivered me from all my fears. Today's reading emphasizes the unwavering faith and loyalty of St. Peter and Paul, and the firm support they received from the Lord. Peter was given the keys of the kingdom of heaven. Later, he was rescued from Herod and the Jews. Paul was joyful, knowing he had fought the good fight and earned the crown of righteousness. Today is embarked for the annual Peter Pan's collection in solidarity with the Holy Father's efforts to support the vital needs of the universal church. Fruit, I will not let doubts and fears about my perceived inadequacies restrain my obedience to the Lord's God to proclaim His message.